Hello everyone, welcome to Hanbs.
Hanbs is a national high-tech enterprise that integrates the research and development, production, sales, and chilling of CNC lathe.
We are located in Dongguan, Dalat. Please follow me to take a look. The company covers an area of 10,000 square meters. Our aim is to becoming the best rigid CNC lathe. What is displayed here is our cast iron.
All our cast iron needs to be exposed to the wind and sun for more than 2 years. The purpose is to use natural agent to eliminate internal stress of the cast iron and make the performance of the machine tool more stable.
This is our machining workshop,
which has a series of machining equipment, such as imported mechanical vertical and horizontal machining centers, printers machining centers, internal and external cylindrical grinders, CNC lathe, and so on.
Semi-finished product showdown assembly workshop.
Semi-finished optical machine assembly workshop, assembly base, machine tool solver scraping. All our casting contact surfaces are developed through artificial scraping.
This is a grinding machine from World JG. In the United States, all parts can be ensured to be within 1 micron through grinding position of this machine. This is our parts and electrical spindle assembly workshop.
The dynamic balancing, rallying, and accuracy testing of our spindles are all completed here.
This is our finished product assembly workshop.
While the installation, debugging, and power distribution of the machines are all completed, we can produce more than 100 CNC lathe per month in this workshop.
The behind us is Hanbs' patent work.
Here are some of our cooperating claims, who include both international, multinational cooperations and listed companies.
Thank you for your attention. Welcome to Hanbs.